Hello, welcome to chemistry course. Last class we have discussed about introduction of vitamins, classification of vitamin and importance of vitamin. Next we are moving into synthesis of vitamin. In this topic, the first vitamin I am taking synthesis of vitamin A by Van Dop method. Let's look at the structure of vitamin A, which is having a conjugated double bond system and terminal alcohol functionality, and there is a substituted cyclohexane ring which is present. Basically, in Van Dop synthesis, they have adopted a linear multi-step synthesis. So they have synthesized step by step. They have constructed the molecule step by step, starting from beta enone. If you see here, vitamin A, if I put oxygen on this is called beta enone. So they have taken a starting material beta enone. On subsequent reaction on beta enone gives vitamin A. These subsequent reactions systematically lengthen the unsaturated carbon side chain through alkylation and interconversion of the functional group, like a ester to carboxylic acid, can done by hydrolysis by using base. After conversion of acid, again converted into ketone by the action of excess methyl lithium reaction, which gives ketone. So Van Dop they have adapted to increase the side chain length by using Riffer-Matsky reaction. So the reaction between the carbonyl group and bromoesters or haloesters, unsaturated haloester, the reaction between these two species gives a hydroxy esters, and followed by the dehydration reaction which gives a unsaturated double bond. Let's learn from step by step synthesis of vitamin A by using Van Dop method. Let's start with beta enone. Beta enone reacts with alpha beta gamma bromo crotonate. So it is also called as methyl 4 bromo butene 2 enoate or methyl in the bromo is present at gamma position, gamma bromo crotonate. It is a ester. It is a derivative of crotonic acid. So the reaction between beta enone and methyl gamma bromo crotonate in presence of zinc. So zinc will inserted in the carbon and bromine, and carbon get negative charge, which acts as a nucleophile, which undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. So now this gamma position carbon is attacked carbonyl carbon, which forms carbon bond. So here it is formed, and this OH am represented here, and this carbon and remaining skeleton which is present here. So it is formed a hydroxy ester. Now after forming this hydroxy ester, which reacts with oxalic acid, this is anhydrous oxalic acid, there is a minus H2O elimination will be there. By taking this hydroxy ester, anhydrous oxalic acid, which converts, elimination of water molecule takes place, which forms double bond in between these, and this double bond is conjugated to this double bond and this double bond. After forming this conjugated double bond, in second step, it reacts with KOH. The ester will undergo hydrolysis, convert into carboxylic acid. And this carboxylic acid is called ionolidine crotonoic acid. After conversion of enolidine crotonoic acid, again we have to lengthen the side chain by taking acid functionality. How we can increase chain length? By taking acid functional group. And acid functional group we are reacting with thionyl chloride. So after reacting this acid with thionyl chloride, which is converted into acid chloride, so basically we are activating carboxylic acid. Next step, reacting this acid chloride with methyl lithium gives ketone. Methyl lithium, and which is converted into acetone here. By taking two steps, first step is reacting this ionolidine crotonoic acid react with thionyl chloride, which is converted into carboxylic acid into acid chloride. After that, reacting with methyl lithium, this acid chloride is converted into ketone. And once we got a ketone, again we have to repeat the Refermatsky reaction between carbonyl group, and again by taking a bromo esters. After conversion of carbonyl group acetone reacting with ethyl bromo acetate in presence of zinc. Zinc will be inserted here, and which forms a carbene ion, and carbene ion will undergo nucleophilic addition reaction, which forms again here beta hydroxy esters. This is alpha position, this is beta position. To get a double bond, again we have to react this molecule with oxalic acid to convert unsaturation, and followed by conversion of this ester into alcohol. So here I am taking a hydroxy, that is beta hydroxy ester, reacting with anhydrous oxalic acid in presence of acidic medium. This undergo dehydration reaction, removal of water molecule, which forms a double bond here. And second step is with KOH reaction, the ester will undergo hydrolysis reaction, which convert into carboxylic acid. In the final step, the reduction of carboxylic acid gives vitamin A. And this carboxylic acid reacted with lithium aluminum hydride, strong reducing agent. This carboxylic acid converted into corresponding primary alcohol. So the last step is reduction of carboxylic acid with lithium aluminum hydride gives vitamin A.